Water's really important on the farm. I mean, it's a very heavy clay farm, so it wants to be really wet. We've dug half a dozen new ponds on the farm. We're trying to restore some of the riparian river meadows. We're fencing off ditches, rivers and the streams as much as possible to reduce the animal impact on those banks.
It's such a joy going to Sam's farm and seeing the abundance of wildlife that's there. This is a fundamentally wet farm, and the wildlife that lives here is wildlife that's adapted and relies on that wetness.
We've planted 40 or 50 acres of herbal lays, and those are always buzzing with invertebrates and animals. But when you go into the wetland areas, there's always just that next level more. Come through here in the summer, there's ragged robin, we've got marsh ragwort, and there's trefoil coating the floor, there's dragonflies hunting around, we've got hobbies that nest on the farm which are after dragonflies, so it all just stacks on top of each other. And without this wetland area and this area that we don't farm intensively, we wouldn't have that volume of invertebrates and food source for the birds that do come here.